Welcome to the Spellbinders Stencil Club of the Month for May 2024 Tropical Spray. This is a two-piece stencil set with the stencils measuring 6 by 6. To create my card, I'm going to start with a piece of white cardstock cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Place the cardstock onto a sticky mat or secure down to your work surface. Align one of the layers over the top of the cardstock, and if using a sticky mat, press down on the stencil to hold it in place. Ink blend on your first shade of blue ink using a blending brush. Remove the stencil and place the second layer over the top. These splashes will fit perfectly within the previously stenciled area. Ink blend on your second shade of blue ink. Next, add splatters using the Spellbinders Splatter White Opaque watercolor with a paintbrush. With the Spellbinders tape runner, attach your stenciled background to an A2 side folding card base. Decorate the front of your card with images from the Spellbinders Large Die of the Month for May 2024. Add foam squares to add dimension. Complete with a sentiment from the Glimmer of the Month for May 2024 and enjoy! Thank you for joining Spellbinders Club Kits.